welcome to Tiza Karaoke. Please subscribe down below and comment and God will bless you. Today we are going to study about what are a small facts about psychology that can be learned quickly to apply in real life. What are a small facts about psychology that can be learned quickly to apply in real life? Here a hard one. Every time you experience a sense of disappointment or difficulty, in other words, every time your tolerance threshold is being exceeded, it is a message from your subconscious that there is something here you need to learn to do better. The next time something feels difficult or disappointing, take a moment and ask yourself, what is it I don't know how to do here? A single instance may not be important enough to bother with, but if you keep on asking yourself this is for a week or so, you will find the same answer keep popping up again and again that you should definitely take notice of it. An extremely valuable little piece of information about yourself, information that you can turn into greater personal power with just a little bit of effort. Find out how you can learn to do that better. Find out how you can learn to do better. Whatever it is that keep coming up, and then find a way to follow through and do it. No matter how much it is cost or how inconvenient it might be, this will change your life for the better more than anything else you could learn at this stage of your life. In some cases, it might be better to delegate to get someone else to do that thing for you instead of gliding away trying to improve your ability to do something you are really crap at. For example, if you realize you are mostly disappointed by money matters, then you get someone else to manage your money for you. Even if you had to pay, say, 10% of your income to someone to do this for you, it would be worth it. If that where most of your difficulty are coming from, it would remove the main thing that is currently holding you back in life and free you up to concentrate on what you are truly good at. Either way, through improving your own ability to do it or through delegating it to someone else, changing for the better light way, you can do this again and again at different times at your life, and every time takes your performance to a whole new level. Welcome to Tiza Karaoke. We have talked about what are a small facts about psychology that can be learned quick to apply in real life. What are a small facts about psychology that can be that can be learned quick to apply in real life? What are a small facts about psychology that can be learned quickly to apply in real life? Please subscribe on my channel down below and you're able to learn a lot. Bye.